Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video, we are doing the Nishiki Super Rack by Elite Fireworks. This is a 9-shot, 2-inch NOAB by Pyro Jinja, one of Elite Fireworks house brand lines. It is all Nishiki, it is supposed to have a huge burst, and it's a 9-shot, 2-inch bores. I love Nishiki, I love trying out house brands, so I had to pick this one up and see how Elite's willows look and how their NOAB looks. So, effect, it says brocade. So, that'll be interesting. And we have a bold gold that's 37 seconds for these 9 shots, so it should be at a nice slow pace. Hopefully these are going to hang and drape a lot. Performance, we have gorgeous Nishiki Kamuro hanging long time fully in the sky. What a wonderful super rack. A must-have finale rack. I usually don't actually run these as a finale unless it's as a higher effect in a finale because there's such a slow pace on it. And I usually don't buy NOABs anyway. But they had a box deal for the Yanagi Super Rack and the Nishiki Super Rack that I decided to pick it up and give it a go. So these are all 2-inch bores on this. We can take these stupid little cardboard things off to try and save some trash, but they're actually glued on here pretty good. So maybe I won't be. Yeah, they're glued on great. So let's take this one out back, see if this 2-inch cake is worth it for those 9 shots. I really want nice long hanging willows, giant breaks out of this one, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that's what we get. Thanks everyone. Nishiki Super Rack. Nishiki Super Rack.